Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. The X6M's design is a bold statement. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like profile, while the muscular stance and aggressive lines scream performance. The signature BMW kidney grille takes center stage, flanked by sharp LED headlights that pierce the night. Every detail, from the sculpted hood to the prominent wheel arches, exudes power and presence. But it's not just about aesthetics. The X6M's design is functional too. The large air intakes feed the beastly engine, while the aerodynamic features ensure stability at high speeds. Step inside the X6M, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that's both spacious and driver-focused. The high-quality materials, from the supple leather seats to the sleek carbon fiber accents, scream sophistication. The panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. Every detail in the cabin is designed with performance in mind. The sport seats hug you in corners, while the chunky steering wheel puts you in complete control. The high-tech instrument cluster displays all the vital information you need, keeping you focused on the road ahead. Now let's talk about what truly sets the X6M apart: its heart-pounding performance. Under the hood lies a monstrous twin-turbocharged engine that unleashes a torrent of power. With just a press of the pedal, you'll be pinned to your seat as the X6M rockets forward with exhilarating acceleration. The X6M's not just about brute force, though. It handles corners with exceptional precision thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension. You'll carve through corners with confidence, feeling the connection between car and driver. The X6M isn't just a muscle machine, it's packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your driving experience. The state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained, while the driver assistance features provide an extra layer of safety and security. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.